My TV remote not working properly. I am pressing this button but no response. Only working one button of remote. Other buttons not working. How can solve this problem? The problem behind of this issue, the stand rest stick on the board of remote, so it can't working. Anyone can fix this problem within 2 minutes. It is very easy. First remove battery of remote. It has no screws, only clips, so carefully remove it by a screwdriver. Just pull up the board for remove from remote. This is thinner. Clean this board by using thinner. Cotton cloth is used to wipe the board. We can see dust stick on this cloth. Wait 2 minutes, let it dry. I am going to fix it back. This spring should pass through these two holes. So carefully insert the spring. Place the other part correctly and press to fix. Fix back batteries. Now we can see all buttons are working perfectly.